I'm going to go into a trance. Eating this noodles is all about self-actualization. What song is that?
That song, Sunglasses.
What
In the nightclub, Sunglasses.
What sing the song? You want something else? Shall I get you ice or something? I'll get you ice.
Hi guys! So today, by the title you would know what we're doing. We are actually trying the spicy noodles challenge once again.
Yes.
We have done this in the past when we were in Dubai, and at that point they didn't have 2 times and 3 times and 5 times. They didn't have all that. They just had spicy noodles.
Yes.
And this time
It says 2x spicy.
it's simple. We're going to have these spicy noodles and see who's going to finish it first.
Yeah.
Without drinking water, and I also have a backup of I don't have anything
Chocolate
sweet right
sauce.
now, so I'm using chocolate sauce. And
Throughout the challenge, we should not be drinking any water. It's just the noodles that you have to be eating. But just to make it a little bit more complicated, as if eating the spicy noodles is not enough, we're also going to combine it with a game.
oh yes,
Yes. And what we're going to do is, we're going to hum songs while eating the noodles. So we'll see how that turns out. And the other person is supposed to guess what song it is.
Yeah,
We'll see how
let's
much
get it
of our brain
started.
actually works once we start eating this.
So we're gonna add the spices first.
What do I do first? The spices, huh?
Yeah.
I even forgot the taste, but I know that it makes you your mind go numb. You stop thinking.
I'm scared. I don't want to do this. Why am I putting myself through this again?
Wow, look at these spices.
Smell it. Oh my god!
Oh, no.
I remember the smell.
So from my side, it's done. The 2x spicy sauce has been put. Muzna is in the process of putting it. Okay, guys, here goes. We are mixing the sauce and the chili flakes or whatever those flakes are. I don't think they are normal chili flakes. Like,
Tausif, I have a feeling I have more noodles than you.
no, you don't.
Little bit you take.
No, I can't take. Please.
Look, Tausif, see.
No, this is equally it's the same quantity. We saw it as soon as you put it itself. You spread it. Mine is not spread. That is the problem. It's concentrated in one. We have done this once and we haven't learned a lesson.
Yeah, I don't know why we are doing this again. Oh man, I'm scared.
See, the problem is even if the noodles are more or less, the quantity of the syrup is the same.
Yeah, but I have to finish the whole thing. No, कुछ भी. Yeah, करने के वास्ते anything you will say.
Alright, guys.
We are at last. Woo! Oh man, I feel like I'm going on a roller coaster ride.
My fork is stuck inside. It's not even coming
Take the whole thing.
out. Okay, here goes. Oh no. Oh my god. Ah!
Oh really?
Are you serious?
Why?
Are you supposed to eat this whole thing?
Yeah.
It's burning my whole mouth.
Are you serious?
My tongue is
Tausif?
burning.
I don't feel like trying this now.
No! What? That was not even half a bite that I had.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm putting it in my mouth. Allah,
Here goes.
Bismillah. Ah. Oh my god!
Oh no. It hits you a couple of seconds
Oh
later.
yeah, I just took my first bite.
My god, this is like really bad. And no water. Same
Okay, I'm
chili.
going to start the humming game also. So I will start it now. Forgot the song I wanted to do. Okay, I'm humming the first song.
Ah, yeah. Oh my god, my mouth is like burning. Lag ja gale.
That's right.
I'm just going for larger bites so that I can finish it quickly. Ah. But we also have to do the songs. My god. What did we get ourselves into? Guys, I'm sweating. I'm like sweat is pouring down my forehead.
Why?
Okay, your first song. What was it? I forgot.
We'll do this song.
Wait.
Simple song, okay?
Okay, got it.
गली गली में फिरता है.
Now it's time for your second song, Muzna. Whew, this is really bad. Guys, I don't know what to say.
Okay, now is the Tamil
don't try
song.
this at home.
Everyone is trying it at home only. Where will you go and try? Okay.
Vada macha, life ku vada macha, something vanditten. Okay, I got it. Whew. Dude, actually singing is making it worse. So is talking. We'll go into silence mode. Calm, peace.
Tausif, you have very little noodles.
No, I don't. Fine, put some more. If you're so crying all the time. 2x is really 2x. My nose is like running. Whew.
Okay, you have to.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. That song, Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
What song is it?
That song, Sunglasses.
What's
In the nightclub, Sunglasses.
What's singing the song?
Ek pal ka jeena.
Yeah. Good one was now.
Eyes are watering for me.
Terrible idea, guys. Okay, next. Whose turn is it?
My turn.
Okay, do it fast.
No, I'm not going into your dadi and all though.
Come on, Muzna, it's your turn. Anjali. Good one.
Why do people do this? Why is this a popular thing on YouTube?
I don't know, guys. Whew. I'm not even able to take this one. Oh no, this part is concentrated.
My ears have shut. They're blocked. I can't hear anything.
I'm going to go into a trance. Eating this noodles is all about self-actualization. Basically, learn a lot about yourself. Your inner Atma.
We're speaking so much, guys. Seriously.
I'm zonked. I'm in a trance now. Okay, next song from my side.
I don't know the song, man. But in 90s, some song around now saying I don't know.
Tell me.
It's a Juhi Chawla song.
Yeah, what is it called? What are you doing?
I'm watering like crazy. I
You
don't know.
basically put a patch on your face.
I'm not able to take it.
What is your song?
Guess.
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
But for a second I was zonked there. I was like, what is that? Is that a song? Muzna, I'm almost done. Okay, the next song for you. I have no idea. I have nothing more to say. Done. Ah.
That didn't make any difference.
The water's not helping.
Ah! Ah! Tosi,
It's burning.
it's burning like crazy.
You want something else? Shall I get you ice or something? I'll get you ice. Huh? Yeah. You put the ice in your mouth. The ice is making it a little better actually.
The last part,
It's too much, right? Ooh.
I put in a lot more because you. Ah! I'm not able to feel anything. It's not even sweet.
You're crying. Oh God. Musna, are you okay? Are you okay? Do you want something? My voice is still watering. Can you have some more water? Want some more water?
My whole face is numb, guys. I am not able to feel anything. My eyes are watering.
Oof. Are we going to do this again? Ever again?
On Amazon, they sell with 5 packs, man. I have 3 more packs.
Ah. Guys, if any of you want to try this, just give us a call.
We'll ask you not to.
Yeah, we'll ask you not to. And if you really insist, we'll send you our remaining 3 packs. Because we are not going to try it again.
Also, I have to say, this is not yummy.
Yeah.
It's not like good
It's
tasting
just,
also. It's just
there's no
spice.
taste, it's just burning sensation in your tongue. Almost like burnt, like it's like eating a smoldering piece of coal. Alright guys, so that was our video for today.
Yeah.
We're still sweating.
I don't think we can settle down. It'll take us some time.
It'll take us some more time. So we are going to go put our faces next to the refrigerator and
Or AC.
or AC, yeah, and get over the situation. I hope you liked our video. This one was really bad. It was 2x. It definitely felt like 2x. So that's it for today. We're gonna go and take care of ourselves. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe.
It's kicking in, guys. I'm not out of it. We'll be back with a new video in a better condition.
Yeah,
Most probably. Mental
Hopefully.
condition also.
hopefully soon. Yeah.
And bye.
Bye.